In fact, moving into today's trading session, Navin, tell us exactly why.
So the open offer that JTKET, that is a Japanese firm which had given to its shareholders for 26%, that in fact closed yesterday. Remember the floor price for the open offer was around 84 rupees per share. Why was this open offer triggered? Because in the month of February in 2017, JTKET had bought 25% stake from the Kapoor family, who were the original as well promoters of Sona Koyo. I would also like to just throw some light on the some other public shareholders that have been invested in the company. The likes of Navin Shetty, he owns almost 4.37%. Also Rajasthan Global Securities and Gagandeep, they own close to 4% in this counter. Also, Nigel, I would also like to know from you that I guess at the global ramifications are also there because of this talk. One being that Toyota owns almost 22% in JTKET. So if you can just throw some color on that.
That's right, Navin. I just want to tell our viewers, if you take a look at the shareholding pattern as of March 2017, as Navin said, Sona Auto, they held close to around 25% stake. The Japanese company, JTEKT, they hold close to around 20% stake. And Maruti Suzuki had roughly around 7% stake. Now, post the entire deal that you were just talking about, the Japanese company, that's JTEKT, they'll hold close to around 45% stake in the company. That's prior to the open offer. So let's get the next plate up for you on the screen. Prior to the success of this open offer, they'll have close to around 45% stake in the company. Now, moving on, if you just take a look at it, Navin, Toyota Motor, that's the global player, they have close to around 22.5% stake in this Japanese company, that's Jacket. They have close to around 22% stake. Now, they have 22% stake in JT, in this Japanese company. And in fact, if Jacket has close to around 45% stake in Sona Koyo, that means that Toyota, the global company, has indirectly close to around 10% stake in the listed Sona Koyo. Both these two companies have merged globally. And remember, Suzuki, they have close to around 56% stake in Maruti Suzuki. So just to sum things up, Toyota indirectly will hold close to around 10% stake in Sona Koyo because they have 22.5% stake in Jacket. You have Maruti Suzuki that has nearly around 7% stake in the company. And in fact, Suzuki Motor Corp, they have close to around 56% stake in the listed Maruti Suzuki. So going ahead, let's see whether or not there's a bigger story that could unfold. Just thought I'll highlight that to our viewers.
Okay, big move coming through on Sona Koyo.